In this video, we're going to cover a little bit about automatic reconciliation for duplicates, as well as setting up some duplicate criteria. So in your system, just hit the settings icon in the top right and scroll on down to sales and marketing duplicate management. And you'll see 3 rules in here by default. One of them being automatic reconciliation, meaning anything that posts into your system from like a lead provider will go through this rule, and then manual flag, which will be for everything else. So things that you import, things that you create manually. This is what's going to give it that caution icon that lets you know a duplicate's been detected. Let's take a look at this top rule. So once you hit the action icon and edit, it'll take a second to pull up because it has to pull up every single field in the system to be able to select for your criteria. But here at the top, select manual or auto reconciliation, give it a name, a description, set the rule status to on. You can also apply a status change whenever a duplicate is merged, and then decide what record types you want to include in this. So you can leave out referral partners and contacts if this rule doesn't apply to them. You can also exclude and include sources depending on what you want to do with this rule. So if you want to include only specific sources, or if you want to exclude only specific sources and apply it to everything else, you have both of those options. And down below, you will see the duplicate conditions. All this means is we have 2 groups, email or phone, and name or address, and fields in those rules. So all this says is if the email or the phone number are identical, to go ahead and merge those as duplicates. And it's also checking for the name. So if the first and last name are identical as well, merge them also. Feel free to hit the pencil icon on any of these rules to adjust those preset conditions, or add a new group, give it a title, maybe add address on here if you want that to be part of it. That's checked for the duplicate management as well. And down below, you'll see a block for automatic reconciliation specifically. You can merge the newest into the existing or existing into newest. Always overwrite fields. Only overwrite fields if they are blank. And fill all blank values and overwrite select fields. The merge tags or adds tags options are regarding adding the merged tag to the file. So add tags will add that merge tag to the file, and merge tags will not. And if you select fill all blank values and overwrite selected fields, below is where you select those fields. So you simply click on it and push it over to the other side if it's something that you want to merge. If it's not, click on it, move it over to the other side, and you'll be good to go. Just click save when you're done. We hope this video helps. Let us know if you have any follow-up questions.